Good morning, children. After finishing your quarterly exam, we are going to again continue the classes. Now I am going to take the subject English. Did you all write your exams well, children? I hope so. Children, take page number 97. I finished up to page number 96. Choose and write the correct one. He can read. She can swing. I can swim. Up to that I finished. Now I am going to continue from page number 97. Let us say. Let us say. Listen, children. All of you take a page number 97. See there, one tail is given in the picture. This is tail. T-A-I-L. Then this is, see the picture. See in your book. Open your book and see. Rain. R-A-I-N. Rain. Listen to the sound and repeat. Okay, listen to the sound. Ale. Sound. Tail. Rain. In sound. Tail. T-A-I-L. Tail. Rain. A-I. See here. A-I. R-A-I-N. Rain. Then listen to the sound. S-O-U-N-D. Sound. And repeat. Say along with me. Then hay. Hay is given here. H-A-Y. Hay. Then way. W-A-Y. Way. Then gate. G-A-T-E. Gate. Then cake. C-A-K-E. Cake. Listen to the sound and repeat. Tail. T-A-I-L. Tail. Rain. R-A-I-N. Rain. Hay. H-A-Y. Hay. Way. W-A-Y. Way. Gate. G-A-T-E. Gate. Cake. C-A-K-E. Cake. See here. Some other words also given here. Read aloud. Made, paid, hail, pale, gain, rain, wait, bait, bay, day, hay, lay, may, pay, ray, say. Then cake, make, name, same, get, hate, cave, save. Then listen to the teacher and circle the words with the long A. Long A means what? See here. May day. This is long A. The A is pronouncing long. Long A. That is called long. May day is long sound. Snake. Long sound. Jack. Jack is short. Short sound. Snake. A is pronouncing long. See here. Snake. Then 8. Snail. Pail. 8. Cake. Kate. That is long A, that and all. Then I took a cane to chase the snake. Cane. Chase. Snake. But the snake got into the train and made an escape. Snake. Train. Escape. That and all long sound. Take page number 98. Page number 98. Take children, all of you. Take the next page. Let us do. Let us do. They have given the word wall. See in that what and all is given. Come, tame, cage, page, soul, told, case. That all is given. Mail, sail, main, pain, weight, bait, raid, then slay, play, clay, break, tray, pray, save, and weigh. See here. C-O-C-A-M-E, came. Then T-A-M-E, tame. Then cage, C-A-G-E, cage. Page, P-A-G-E, page. Then sail, S-A-L-E, sail. T-A-L-E, tail. Then base, B-A-S-E, base. Case, C-A-S-E. Then mail, M-A-I-L, mail. Sail, S-A-I-L, sail. Main, M-A-I-N, main. Pain, P-A-I-N, pain. Weight, W-A-I-T, weight. Bait, B-A-I-T. Slay. Then laid, L-A-I-D, laid. Raid, R-A-I-D, R-A-I-D, raid. Then S-L-A-Y, slay. Play, P-L-A-Y, play. Clay, C-L-A-Y, clay. Bray, B-R-A-Y, bray. Tray, T-R-A-Y, tray. Pray, P-R-A-Y, pray. Sway, S-W-A-Y, sway. Then weigh. This all you should read and pronounce. Okay? Word wall. Came, tame, cage, page, sail, tail, B-A-S-E, base, case, C-A-S-E, case, mail, M-A-I-L, mail, S-A-I-L, sail, M-A-I-N, main, P-A-I-N, pain, weight, W-A-I-T, weight, B-A-I-T, weight, laid, L-A-I-D, laid, raid, R-A-I-D, raid, slay, S-L-A-Y, slay, play, P-L-A-Y, play, clay, C-L-A-Y, clay, bray, B-R-A-Y, bray, tray, T-R-A-Y, tray, pray, P-R-A-Y, pray, sway, S-W-A-Y, sway, way, W-A-Y, way. Children, you should read these words and you should pronounce properly, okay? That is in page number 98. You see and read one time. Add A and write, W-R-I-T-E, write the words. Example, can, cane, C-A-N-E. Listen here. Like that, some words are given here. You should add E. You should add E. E in the last. See here. M-A-N-N, man. So you should add E in the last. M-A-N-E, main. Then, next one, M-A-D, mad. M-A-D-E, made. Next one, T-A-P, tap. Then T-A-P-E, you are adding E in the last. Tape. Pan, P-A-N, pan. P-A-N, pan. Pain, P-A-N-E. Then R-A-T, rat. You are adding E in the last. R-A-T, rate. F-A-T, fat. F-A-T-E, fate. Children, listen. M-A-N, man, main. M-A-N-E, main. M-A-D, made, mad. M-A-D, made. T-A-P, tap. Tape, T-A-P-E, tape. P-A-N, pan, pain, P-A-N-E, pain. Rat, R-A-T, rat. Rate, R-A-T-E, rate. Fat, F-A-T, fat. Fate, F-A-T-E, fate. Then fill in the blanks. Children, write in that column. Dash is given, 4 lines dash is given, write in that. Fill in the blanks. Page number 98 only. See here. Clouds is given. Rain is drizzling. R-A-I-N. Rain. Write in the dash. Take your book and write in the dash. This is way. Way means path. W-A-Y. Way. Then cake is given here. See here. Cherry fruit is there up. Cake. C-A-K-E. Cake. Write in the dash. C-A-K-E. Cake. Then gate. Now I am drawing the gate. G-A-T-E. Gate. Write in the dash. Finish, children. Then try to read this. See there. B plus L, black. B-L-A-C-K, black. Then click, C-L-I-P, clip. Then F-R-O-G, frog. Then tent, T-E-N-T, tent. Now we can skip to next one. Page number 99. Page number 99, let us read. What do we see? That is poem. See here. Bluebird, what do you see? I see a yellow duck. Yellow duck, what do you see? I see a green frog. Green frog, what do you see? I see a red fish. Red fish, what do you see? I see a small boy. Small boy, what do you see? I see a bluebird, yellow duck, green frog and red fish. That is what I see. That is what do you see? Poem. Blue, B-L-U-E. Blue bird, B-I-R-D, bird. Blue bird, blue bird. Blue bird, blue bird. B-I-R-D, bird. What do you see? W-H-A-T. What do, D-O, do you see? S-E-E-C, question mark. Blue bird, blue bird, what do you see? I see, I-S-E-E-C, a yellow, Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow duck, D-U-C-K, duck, full stop. Yellow duck, yellow duck, yellow duck, yellow duck, what do you see? What? W-H-A-T. What? D-O, do you, Y-O-U-C, S-E-E-C, question mark. The colors only is coming here, yellow, blue, red, green. I see a green frog, G-R-E-E-N, green frog, F-R-O-G, frog, full stop. Green frog, green frog. See here, G-R-E-E-N, green frog, F-R-O-G, green frog, green frog. Again and again the same word only is coming. See here, G-R-E-E-N, green frog, F-R-O-G, frog. Here capital letter, here small letter, G-R-E-E-N, green frog. Green frog, green frog. What do you see? What that green frog is seeing? What do you see? The green frog is seeing red fish. I see a red, R-E-D, red fish, F-I-S-H, red fish. Bluebird, bluebird, what do you see? I see a yellow duck. The bluebird is seeing a yellow duck. Yellow duck, what do you see? What the yellow duck is seeing? I see a green frog. Okay? Green frog, what do you see? What the green frog is seeing? I see a red fish. Okay, children? I wrote 6 lines. Next 4 line is there. We can see that one in the next class. Okay, read this 6 lines. This is homework for you. Read and write 6 lines. Homework. One time. Okay, children? Thank you.